MeghalayaPost.news.
Unong ilam ke BJP bat menteri berim ke sarkar jylla uba A.L Hek haka singi balang ulong ba kanu karai halor ke jingpyntreikam ïaka inline permit ILP lani ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA ha Meghalaya kade ban long katkum ke jingla ban pentreikam da ka babu khmat ïaka jingmentoi jong kinong shnong bar kinong wan jong kai prathei uhek ulong ba ke jingkran halor kini kimat kim desu tang ke jingdawa androi kade ban long halor ke jingbishar bñiah ïaka ikabala ban pentreikam ha ke jylla ha ka bai dei bar ke jingkran halor ke ILP bat MRSSA ngakar pat ika sarkar Meghalaya bat iki pajba ke jylla bahabangi kwa ban pentreikam yak ni kian ngidai ningkong ban pen yak ika bala ban le bat ke ika ba omla ban le ulaban juru bagathong kadai banwat yak rukom treikam kabala ban yada yak jylla Meghalaya kram rakta apat yak itu ki bon syak jylla bat ki bano senyang hakayo ka kot jong ke jylla kabanta kabala ban pentreikam kadai ban aju mentoi om tangi ki pajba Meghalaya hanre ya baro ngidai ban pen ningkong yak ju mentoi bar ke jingsangan jong ki brio ke jylla bar kum juru yak jingsangan bar ke jing mentoi jong ki tu ki bon sya Meghalaya kamtam e kinong jngok kai prathei UMLE ulaban jur baka Donkam ban le yak jingwat bñiah ka bapura syaban wanra ekum kini kian khnang ban lat nya kinu kinu jingkta yak jylla kabarit pat kum ka Meghalaya baru iki brio ki bon rungsha ka jylla.
I request the state of Meghalaya, the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya also, whenever we are and want to introduce the ILP or the MRSSA in the state of Meghalaya, we have to see first the doable, which is to be do which one to be done, do and don't. So the doable part only it should be beneficial for all the people, not only for the people. We to see the interests of the people of the state of Meghalaya, and also we have to see the safety and the interests of the people who are coming to the state of Meghalaya, particularly the tourists, to see the doable, which will not affect the small populations of Meghalaya, will not be affect the people who are coming to Meghalaya. So this is have to look after all precisely. We have to be very study first before bringing this kind of project to introduce in the state of Meghalaya. We have to study which is important should be doable for the interest of the state and also for the national interest.
MeghalayaPost.news.